Man, listen, this is sad. Like, for Derrick Rose, listen, who do we blame for this? Now, of course, we can all say, well, he got injured. Well, the Knicks, they should have re-signed him. Now, we know the Knicks, they didn't want to keep him, and the Cavs, they took a chance on him by signing him for only $2 million, which is not a lot. So right there, we could already tell Derrick Rose's value in the NBA right now, and then also, they trade him. So now it's like it's even worse because before he was worth $2 million, and now he got traded and his value even went down a lot. Because right now, Derrick Rose, after he got traded by the Cavs, he's only getting 10-day contract interest from NBA teams. They don't want to sign him for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years. He went from being an MVP to being a guy who gets 10-day contracts like this is 2K. Come on. Derrick Rose at one point, he was one of the best players. So to see a guy who was MVP at one point making millions, he got traded by the Bulls and the Knicks, they didn't want to keep him. And the Cavs, they signed him for $2 million. And then by them trading him, his stock even went lower. His value went low. Like, this is sad. Like I said before, we can blame a lot of things. We can blame his injury. We can blame the Bulls for trading him. We can blame the Knicks for not wanting him. We can also blame the Cavs for trading him. He was making a comeback. He was playing great. Think about it. If the Cavs signed him for $2 million, other NBA teams, they don't want to sign him for $2 million or $1 million. I bet teams, they want to give him $500K. But I mean, even there, it's not good enough because guess what? He's only getting 10-day contracts. But right now, I heard the Thunder and the Clippers, they're interested in Derrick Rose. We're going to see what happens. But overall, this is sad. He got injured, torn his ACL. He didn't give up. He didn't let that stop him. And the Bulls traded him to the Knicks. When he got to the Knicks, he was trying his best. And then he got to the Cavs and he was balling. He was looking good. He was looking like he's ready for a comeback. And also he was playing through an injury. Remember? If you guys remember, he left the Cavs to contemplate whether he wanted to retire and he still came back. He didn't give up. And the Cavs trade him. At this point, I don't know what he's gonna do. He might leave the NBA and retire. But then again, if an injury couldn't stop Derrick Rose, I don't think these 10-day contract offers are gonna stop him. Maybe an NBA team is gonna sign him for like at least 1 year. But like I said before, he just sad. A guy who was the MVP at one point, he went to getting 10-day contracts. It's a shame. It's sad. But you know what, Derrick Rose? I don't know. We're gonna see what he does. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. And I'm out.